Hello guys, this is the KLH Model 5 and this is a woofer. You see it? Made in China says, but it's designed in the Logan Street, KLH Audio, Noblesville, Indiana. Magnet, huge magnet. We see the chassis, paper cone, you can see the spider here, the voice coil, so it moves like this. Traditional regular driver. And on the bottom of the speaker there is this crossover, just one crossover, this board with these components. So it's not that bad, it's very good design. The cables are protected and isolated with this foam around. All the cabinet has this kind of material to absorb the vibrations and the static waves, and the mid-range is located in this sub cabinet, let's say. And here is the tweeter, bigger one. Tweeter is sharing the same cabinet as the woofer. Only the mid-range has its own isolated cabinet. So this is the tweeter. So big sticker of KLH on the back. The magnet, and the front is like this. You can see the dome there and the grill in front. And this is the mid-range. Again, it's a paper cone. Huge magnet on the back, nice chassis. So very high quality driver. Actually, all of them, the three of them, are very high quality drivers. They are not like cheap or whatever. They are very well taken care from KLH. So it's a closed box, as you can see. There is no port or for the base reflex kind. It's totally closed. There is no port. And here we have the terminals for our amplifier. There is a level here, a system to adjust the low, mid, and high. Look here. And the terminals are very nice, very durable, big ones, as it should be for this kind of loudspeaker. Thank you guys for watching. This was the KLH Model 5.